Hello friends, my name is Praveen Pandey, a sociology teacher. At Drishti IAS, we are going to provide a very spectacular and comprehensive program for sociology optional under 𝐈𝐀𝐒 program. In this, we are going to cover a few things. Number one, revision of the entire syllabus. Number two, tests. In total, there will be 11 tests, 7 fractional and 4 comprehensive. And third, we are going to have a marathon discussion on those, in which not only we cover the questions asked in the paper, but some extra questions based on the topics. Well, the first test we are going to conduct on 23rd of June, and 5 days prior to it, we are going to have a revision of the same. The topics are one, thinker Karl Marx, chapter number 5, social stratification, and chapter number 10, social change in modern society. Next day after the test, we will be having test discussion. What as a teacher, I am going to provide you, I provide you all the tests, I provide you answer formats, and of course, I am the one going to conduct test discussions as well. As per my wide experience, I can assure you to get benefit of this program, because many students earlier they got the benefit. So come and join this program. On 17th of June, we are going to have an orientation class, wherein we have a detailed discussion of the same. So meet you on that day. Best wishes.